Looking for an easy and energizing breakfast? Try this delicious banana coffee smoothie. It's packed with flavor and nutrients to kickstart your day. Here's what you'll need. 1 ripe banana. Adds natural sweetness, fiber, potassium, and vitamin B6. Great for energy and digestion. 1/2 tablespoon coffee, a gentle caffeine boost and rich in antioxidants. 1 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder supports mood and heart health. 1 cube of unsweetened peanut butter. A tasty source of healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E. 1/2 cup low-fat milk or plant-based milk adds calcium and protein. Just toss everything into a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. This smoothie is rich in potassium, protein, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Perfect for your morning routine or post-workout boost. It's naturally sweet, filling, and gives you a gentle kick of caffeine. A healthy habit you'll actually look forward to? Try it for a week and feel the difference. Like and subscribe for more easy, healthy recipes.